In this video I'm gonna show you how to change and maybe repair parking light and a headlight 2014 Mercedes ML350. Start by removing this cover. It's tough to see parking light bulb here, but if you put your hand there, go through some wires and you could find which one going to parking light bulb. Once you found it, turn it counterclockwise. Actually, once you find it, just pull it back. And here it is. Has 3 wires going to it. One of them is in good condition, the other 2 not so much. I'm gonna try to repair them. That's one. I'll do one more. So normally I will use heat gun for heat shrinks, but the reason why I'm afraid to use it here is it looks like that wire is pretty brittle. So if I use heat gun and heat gets on the wire further down, it might melt the plastic part. So now I'm gonna start the car and see if this light works or if I need to change the bulb. Well, doesn't look like it did anything. I'm gonna try to change the bulb. I'm gonna be using those bulbs. Now I'm gonna install it. It's in. Hopefully you were able to kind of see how to do it. That's a black lever that's below this high beam projector or high beam cylinder. Just pull it out. You don't have to twist it. Now I'm gonna close this opening. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start the vehicle, compare parking light here and here, make sure it's the same color. If they look different, I'll replace other side as well. And to me they look identical. Now that I think about the exposed wire, probably had nothing to do with parking light not working. But while I was there, I decided to fix it anyway. If or when this parking light gonna stop working, I'm gonna do same repair if wire is melted on that side. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for parking bulbs and the heat shrink tubes. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.